Jason from Competitor Swim, and today we're going to talk about installing and removing your Competitor take-up reel. It's a very simple process, but first I want to show you two important components of the take-up reel that will make this process very easy to do. You can see here there is a chamber, and that is where the cable goes through. We call that the cable chamber, and that's important. So your cable will be going through there. The other important component is the set screw. So the cable goes through the chamber, and then you tighten the set screw, which exerts pressure onto the cable and keeps the cable intact. So right now we're going to go to our example, and you have your Competitor take-up reel in the water. The first thing you must do, obviously, is remove the tension. Half a click forward, press the release button, boom, it's released. Now you can release the remaining lane or cable. There's the set screw that I mentioned before. Put your wrench in here, turn to the left, which raises the set screw. Once your set screw is released, the cable comes out. Put this to the side. Get your new Competitor take-up reel. Find the cable chamber. As you can see, it's right there. Make sure that your cover is on first. Put the cable through the eyelet, very important. Find the chamber. You might have to manipulate it. We're using old cable to demonstrate real life conditions. Once the cable is through the chamber, make sure that it is flush to the end. It can be sticking out slightly, but you do not want it recessed, so you should be able to see it and touch it. Now, simply insert your wrench into the set screw, righty-tighty. It is now exerting pressure on the cable. Once snug as you can get it, test it. It's now tight. You can now, this take-up reel is now operational, and simply tighten. And your lane is operational. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to call us at 1-800-888-SWIM or email us at sales@competitorswim.com. Thanks for being a Competitor customer.